Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law, so please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about something that is commonly expressed by people who call law firms all over the state. They all call up and they say, I want an aggressive lawyer. I want a lawyer who's a fighter. I want a lawyer who will go to battle for me. People tend to express themselves in military terms when they talk about lawyers. I even came across a lawyer whose letterhead had a shark on top of it, as if to say that he's a shark of a lawyer. When I saw that, my first thought that went into my head is, why would somebody put this on their letterhead? But I realized that they did it because of client issues. In other words, the client wants to be made to feel like this is my lawyer. I need an aggressive lawyer. And the question is, do you really need that? Is that what you truly want? I know that the public, watching LA Law, watching Boston Legal, watching NCIA, all these legal/police programs on TV where they're prosecutors, even watching the trials that we see with Amber Heard and Johnny Depp, people watch this and they think, oh, that's what I need an aggressive lawyer. Well, let me tell you something about aggression. Aggression is a very poor substitute for intellect, okay? So when you look for a lawyer, don't look for someone who's a hothead who's going to scream at everybody, because you know what? Odds are that aggression may well turn against you as the client also. That's really something that you don't want. Here's what you do want. Obviously, you want somebody who has a reputation for knowledge in the law. You want somebody who you identify with, somebody who you have a rapport with that you think you can work with on this project successfully, because that's what a case is. It's a project, and you need to work successfully with that lawyer. I think more important than all of it, though, it's not about an aggressive lawyer. It's about an attorney whose vision of the case is the same as yours. If you both have the same vision of where this is going to go, then it's simple to map out the steps that are necessary to get from point A to point B. Point B being the desired place, whether it's an acquittal, or custody of your kids, or more parenting time, or a successful resolution in your divorce. Aggressive doesn't mean anything. The court has seen all the lawyers, the guys and the ladies who do this for a living are before the court all the time. The court is very familiar with their style and with their tactics, and is not easily impressed with one lawyer barking over another. Again, remember, the loudest guy in the room is usually not the smartest guy, okay? What you really want to do is make sure that you have somebody that you have a rapport with who shares your vision, and there's a plan on how to get there. And that is really the key. If you get that, that's going to trump any aggressive lawyers that there are, because at the end of the day, that is what will carry you across the finish line. If you have any questions, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.